Yes, good afternoon. So today I am going to continue the paralegal work for lawyers and judges. So now what we are going to have in paralegal is uh, concealment in uh, insurance. So in insurance, for example, you are the one who buy the insurance policy. So let's talk about concealment. So for example, I am your paralegal, a law student and a fourth year law student and a bar reviewee. Then you are the one, uh, layman, a professional that is not a lawyer or not, no, and not a law student also, or a plain layman. So you are asking if a concealment of certain sickness will uh, make your claim for insurance uh, in peril. So now, so for example, I am your paralegal. Uh, then you ask if um, a concealment, for example, so that you can refer to a lawyer that concealment that you will be given to me as facts. If you will give it to a lawyer, you find your nearest lawyer in your place. Or then let's determine first. So for example, if you are uh, let's say for example your husband is uh, having the policy, insurance policy. So the insurance policy, uh, in applying, he or you conceal his ailment. For example, he has kidney failure. So in writing in the form, you didn't write that he has the history of kidney failure. So upon one of the day, one of the night, he played poker, a poker game, a card game. Then while playing for poker for more than 3 hours in the night, he collapsed. Then he died. Then now you will ask me, is he qualified to is his insurance policy can be claimed for the benefits since he died? So obviously, if you will find the nearest lawyer, they knew what is the correct answer. But for me, as I it is well settled that uh, the concealment, you tell to the nearest lawyer that according to the paralegal Crisanto Hermosilla that the concealment is material. So ibig pong sabihin, yung concealment po ay naging balakid sa pag-claim ng insurance claim. Because even though he died, not because of kidney failure, but uh, let's say heart attack, that he collapsed in the inside the middle of the game of a poker game, then it's still material. So you tell the lawyer that you will find that the concealment is material. So even though uh, he collapsed in the poker game, so then they will decide by their own discretion. You will not force them what the proper remedy, but just follow what they will say. But according to the paralegal, it is material. So means to say, your husband that died in poker game cannot claim insurance. So, but if you try to ask the lawyer, then it's up to him or her what will be the correct answer if she or he will represent you in the insurance company. So, thank you. God bless. Good day. Have uh, uh, the best night this Monday. Thank you and more power.